All right, starting fourth quarter, 4-3. Although 4-3 Cobra. Although the scoreboard's a little wrong, but whatever. All righty.
Yeah, I mean, I just saw something.
Let's go, boys! One on each side. One on each side. Nice job, Kyle. Well done, AJ. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Boom! Nice save. Well done. Way to dig it out. Way to dig it out. Nice job. Ball loose. Nice hustle. Good try. All right, guys. Woo! Good job, Kimmer.
Go, Josh. Atta boy.
Nice dodge.
Ball. Get it.
Go. Got it. Definitely up. Nice job, Kimmer. Nice job, Kimmer. Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Good pass. Great pass.
Go, Davis. Go, Davis.
Nice job, Davis. Great job, Davis. Well done, buddy.
All right, Davis.
Oh, trying to do a little too much, babe.
Ball.
Come on, Green.
Dig through it.
Come on, guys.
Don't stab at it. Run through it. That's reeky stuff. What are you doing out there? Gardening?
Okay.
Let's go, boys.
There it is, ball.
Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. Poor kid. She's a flip. Nice knockdown. Nice knockdown.
Josh, let me sit on the ball.
Go get it.
Oh, there we go. It's a scrum.
It's sitting on it.
All right, now what?
Sit on the ball.
Way to hustle, guys. Just get it back. Good ride here. Good ride.
I think he's just going to be Josh. I think he's just going to do what Josh usually does.
There it is. Come on, Sam. There it is. There it is.
Josh, help it! Come on, Frida!
Oh, nice job. Oh, nice pass. Good idea. Good deal. Good. Unlucky. Oh, that was off white. Yeah. All right. Good hustle, guys. Yeah, it was off white, right? Oh, Jesus. Flip. Oh, my gosh. That was... Okay. Go, Mace. Nice job, Mace. Go, baby, go! Let's go, Mace! That's it! Keep it going! Keep it going! Look for the man! Look for the man! Look for the man! Not oh my goodness! Woo! Great work, guys! Nice job, Kimmer! Good job, guys!
How about hockey? You can cry about hockey mode right now, not a power play. Man up.
There you go. Same thing. We're going to go right to hockey tonight, so that's all right. You're good.
Junior, really?
No, I mean on TV.
Put one in.
I was going to say that's a long night.
Be worth it, though. Going to New York.
Nothing happened.
slash.
here.
Yeah, it was a slash, but we don't know who it's on. Who's in the box?
We've been practicing
Is that
out here.
going?
The majority of the
Okay.
teams are counting.
Man, you can't text, film, and watch the game at the same time.
They both were there. They were both there.
And everyone's been playing those summer league games.
Talk to him, Luke! Talk to him, Luke!
Find a hole, boys, find a hole. That's a good idea, that's a good idea.
Back, reset!
Nice pass.
Pressure, right?
Yeah.
At least all these games are localized, are same pace.
Yeah, it's nice.
Beautiful facilities.
Passing, guys.
Still, yeah,
Go,
you
guys.
have one turf field all pro guys. Crazy.
Back,
Side to side, where those
All right, get back,
fields are, and then
defense.
Oh my gosh. Derek, good cut. Do it again.
Yeah, that's a good cut.
He was.
Gotta mark up your man, boys.
Let's go, defense.
Not in the double. Not in the double. Back it out in the double. Okay, score.
Outside, all right. Nice job, buddy. Spread it out. Nice job, way to find him. Well,
Justin, get him. Get him.
oh, nice catch.
Lift it.
Nice job, guys. Saved by the line.
Come on, Blake.
Great job, guys.
The ball, Blake.
Get out of trouble. Get out of trouble. You don't need trouble. Jeez, a flip.
Hit it, Blake.
Nice D. All right, well done, guys.
No overtime. Going home.
Go, boys. Let's get it back.
Go, defense.
I vote against it. Everybody on board with no overtime.
We're going to flip a coin?
You guys can either win.
Now it's not.
Okay, sold.
Let's leave now.
Exactly. All right, it was negotiating stands. We get to go home now.
Come on, Matt.
Can someone help?
Four corners, Dean Smith. Find a hole, find a hole.
Come on, Matt.
Oh, man, he's a flip. We got a man down.
Got two of them down
They tripped over him.
there? Oh, he tripped
He got,
over. Oh.
yeah, he got whacked good, man.
I wasn't paying attention.
He's a flip. Come on, ref, you were right there. Way to be tough, way to be tough. All right, boys, tight D, tight D. Mark your man. It's a good team, it's a good team.
Yeah, the summer league. It's all about money.
Blake, get rid of it.
Nice shot, Jay. Driving dish. Here we go. Shoot, darn it. Nice drop.
Get it back. Come on, Matt. Get in there.
Nicely done, nicely done. Don't force it. All right, Sidney. Are you kidding me? Save it. No. Shoot. All right, guys.
Come on, D.
Something waterproof? No. I'll have to get me a camera prophylactic.
That's funny.
Do they sell those? 7-Eleven? Highs.
Suck it up, Blake.
All right, D! Let's ride them! Don't!
Come on, Josh!
Nice job. Good wheels.
Come on, Josh! Keep going!
Got all kinds of time.
Come on, defense!
Take your time.
All right. Nice job, boys!
And 78 pounds. Yeah, it's about Josh. Last year he played basketball.
Hey, hon. No, where are you? Are you over across there somewhere? You in yellow? No. Are you in yellow?
Plus,
Oh yeah, right there you are.
last year, remember how we were divided?
I'm waving.
Divided in half
All right. Ooh. No, we're no. They they got the scoreboard backwards. We're winning 4-3, but it's they don't have it. They have it backwards. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they're a good team. It's tough. It's a tough game. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. All right, boys. All right, stay with him, Kyle. That's it, Kyle. That's it, Kyle. Nice job. Great D.
Josh, be smart, buddy. Be smart, Josh.
Nice check. Nice check.
Come on, Green.
Come on, Jay. Go, babe. Go, Kyle. Jay, take off. Coming on. Coming on.
Come on, Kobe. Come on, baby. Lift it.
Nice job. And Kyle and Jay
Got to keep it in.
Out.
just inside that box, huh? Go to go!
Come on.
Oh, yes! Woo! Nice. Well done, guys! Way to finish, Jay! Good work! You're right. Good spirit. Not over. Man, girls lacrosse is far from over.
That was good looking, though, the way they brought it up.
Yeah, really pretty. Well done, boys! Keep it up! Let's go, AJ!
Come on, Josh.
Come on, AJ, win it.
Nicely done. Nice job, Josh. Gotta go to goal, bro. Come on, Kimmer!
Stop the ball.
Ooh, nicely done. Oh my goodness! What a love it! Love it! Incredible.
Did you see that disaster?
Come on, D, get it out.
I can't wait to see that on film.
Over here.
Try, Tyler.
Move away.
Nicely done.
Come on, you want
Help
to-
him, help him. All right, good dump, good dump.
Good.
It's all right.
Good.
That's half of it. Yeah.
Woo! Great game all. Great game all.